Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Have an SBI savings account and an active mobile number registered with the bank. Install Google Pay from the Play Store or the App Store and update it to the latest version. Open your phone settings and confirm the mobile number used for SBI is the primary SIM. Keep your SBI debit card number, expiry, and CVV available for verification steps. Also have your ATM PIN ready to create a UPI PIN when the app prompts you. Open Google Pay and tap Add Bank Account from the Payments tab. The app will display a list of supported banks. Scroll to find State Bank of India. Tap State Bank of India to start linking and allow SMS permissions for auto verification. Google Pay will verify your registered mobile number via an SMS OTP sent by SBI processing. Once verified, the app will fetch your SBI accounts and show them to select for UPI linking. Set a UPI PIN of 6 digits when prompted using your SBI debit card and your ATM PIN for authentication. Enter the debit card details and complete the OTP verification sent by the bank to your registered mobile number. Choose a 6-digit UPI PIN and enter it twice to confirm. After setup, send a small test payment of Rs1 or Rs10 to a trusted contact to confirm successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.